We recently conducted a webinar in partnership with ISCA Academy on how to review your GST returns. And we're excited to share with you the amazing feedback that ISCA has received from the participants. Our participants found the webinar to be an excellent opportunity to expand their knowledge on GST, describing it as highly informative, engaging, and well-presented. They appreciated our trainer ability to break down complex concepts and explain them in simple terms. The presentation's interactive features were successful in maintaining the participants' engagement and interest throughout the session. Our participants left the webinar with valuable learning takeaways that they can apply to their work, feeling much more confident in their ability to review their GST returns effectively. We're thrilled to have provided our participants with a relaxing yet informative environment to learn in. We are JED Tax Consulting, your trusted GST advisor and training partner.